Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's kind of get right into this. So I've actually been wanting one of these for a while. It is by this brand right here, and it is a nail stand set. Let me go ahead and show you exactly what it is and what it does. So you get this right here, which is magnetic, and then it comes with all these little sticky things, which are for your nails, and you can buy replacements of those. And then it comes with 10 of these. And you're going to place them. They're really good magnets. You can see, like, it's going to take some stuff, like some strength to get them off. But what you do is you get these. So let's say you want to add some designs on this acrylic nail. You're going to grab this and you're going to stick it right here. And then you're going to take that top piece off. And then you're going to be able to stick it onto this. And so it's going to hold your nail as you sit there and paint it. And then you can let it dry, set it, do what you got to do, and then you're good to go. So this is going to be really great. I've been wanting one of these for a while. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.